With your shapes blocked in, it's time to add some color. I will show you 2 different ways to color in your shapes. First, let's expand the donut glaze and the grapefruit segments by going to Expand Appearance. The next thing I'm going to do is select all my food and copy them into a new layer. I will call this layer Color Option 1. Hide the original layers for now, since we don't want those to be edited. Group all the shapes together by pressing Command and G, and then press K for the Live Paint Bucket tool. Click anywhere inside the group to turn it into a live paint object. For my colors, I'm going to use Adobe Color Themes, which you can access here. I'm going to go to the Explore section and try out different colors. When choosing colors, I tried to think about which colors could be used for multiple shapes in my piece, so that I can have a minimal color palette. For example, the pink works for the donut glaze, the grapefruit, the inside of the watermelon, and a segment of the sushi. Other colors that work well for this piece are green and yellow. This tool makes it easy to try out different colors. Another place I look for color inspiration is the website Coolors. If you hit spacebar, you can shuffle the colors until you find something that you like. Back to my piece, I'm going to remove the black outline by selecting all my shapes and pressing the slash key. Be sure you have the stroke selected. I like these colors, but if I wanted to test more, I could duplicate the layer and change the colors. Now, for why I had you duplicate those shapes. Live paint groups have limitations. For instance, if I move this circle, you will see that it's masked. This is fine if you are coloring in a final image, but I still want to add more details. Instead, I'm going to use the original shape layers. First, I will make swatches of the colors that I liked. To do that, select everything and then go to Window, Swatches, and hit the Folder button. I'm going to name the color group Color Option 1. Then, I will hide the color layer and select each shape from the original layers to color them in. When I'm done, you will notice that I need to cut out the donut hole. For this, I will use my favorite tool, the Shape Builder. I'm going to select all the donut shapes and press Shift and M. If you hold down Option, you can delete the shape. All done. Now that you have your shapes colored in, the next step is to add some finishing details.